HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the backbone of every website on the internet. This open standard markup language uses tags and attributes to describe how web pages are structured. HTML, along with JavaScript and cascading style sheets, CSS, forms the foundation of the World Wide Web, guiding browsers on rendering content. Since its introduction in the late 1980s, HTML has undergone significant changes. Each advanced version aimed to expand access to internet technologies without making older iterations obsolete. HTML4, for example, enhanced support for visually impaired users and improved global collaboration among coders, leading to better typography and more precise web searches. The release of HTML4. 01 in 1999 marked a significant milestone, but the internet has evolved dramatically since then. With the rise of smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices, HTML5 was introduced to address these challenges. Developed by the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, and the Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group, WAT-UG, HTML5 aimed to reduce plugin dependence and enhance error handling. HTML5 introduced several new features that revolutionized web development. One of the most significant changes was the incorporation of audio and video content capabilities directly into its specifications. This eliminated the need for external plugins like Flash, making content delivery faster and safer. HTML5 also simplified the development of complex web applications. One of the major changes introduced with HTML5 was the use of semantic tags. These tags, such as header, navigation, section, article, and footer, enable search engines to understand web page contents more quickly. By using semantic tags, web developers can make pages easier to navigate and optimize them for search engines. HTML5 natively supports video and audio playback, eliminating the need for external plugins. Developers can use video and audio tags to embed multimedia files directly onto web pages. This native support allows for specifying video size, source, and other attributes, making multimedia integration seamless and efficient. HTML5 introduced the canvas element, providing web developers with a powerful tool for creating dynamic graphics and complex animations directly within web pages. The canvas element, along with its API, allows for interactive animation creation, drawing shapes, lines, and text, enabling the development of dynamic content like games and data visualizations. HTML5 allows data to be stored locally on users' devices, enabling the creation of interactive web applications that function offline. The local storage API lets developers store and retrieve user data within browser memory, creating web applications that operate similarly to native apps, enhancing user experience and functionality. HTML5 was specifically developed with mobile devices in mind. It offers greater support for accelerometers, touchscreens, and other mobile-specific features. Web designers can create responsive pages that adapt automatically to different screen sizes and resolutions. HTML5's support for geolocation also enables location-based services in web applications. HTML5 has made web pages more accessible to individuals with disabilities. Features like role attributes, ARIA asterisk attributes, and alt attributes for images help screen readers interpret web content more accurately. These attributes improve the accessibility of websites for individuals with visual impairments, making the web more inclusive. HTML5 represents a significant advancement in web development, offering greater functionality, multimedia support, and improved performance. It has revolutionized the way developers create interactive websites, providing more creative possibilities and enhancing user experiences. As HTML5 continues to evolve, it will further improve web development, making the internet more dynamic and accessible.